Hey everyone, Becca here with Basics by Becca, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a simple digital planner using Canva. So you can create this digital planner to use either on your digital devices, or you can use it to sell on your blog or a platform like Etsy. So let's dive into that tutorial. It's simple and easy and will only take a few minutes. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is sign into your Canva account. So I'm already signed in, and then you're just going to click on the templates bar. Then it's going to show you discover templates. So in the search bar, you're going to hit or type in, daily planner. And here it will show planners that are already made for you. So I have a pro account, but some of these planners are available on the pro, but some of them are available on a free account too. So you can scroll through these and you can choose which one that you want to work with. I already have done one, so I'm going to go to that Pacific Daily Planner and show you that template from here. So here's a daily planner that I have already made. And what I did was I changed the fonts, I changed a little bit of the wording, and I changed the colors. So as you see here, if you want to click on the date and change the background color for that, maybe choose a blue, you can go ahead and do that. And you can customize your planner however you like. So I made a pretty simple planner. It has top priorities, a to-do list, appointments, and a notes section. So we're going to work with this simple one-page PDF. So what we do is we go right up here to the top right. And instead of downloading as PDF prints, unless you just want to print this planner, that would be a good option for that. But since we're going to actually edit it and make it a fillable digital planner, we're actually going to download it as PDF standard. So just click that and download that file. And then I'm going to show you the next step on actually making it a fillable planner that you can use on your digital devices. Okay, so now you're going to go to this website, which is pdfescape.com. And I happen to love this website because it makes this process so easy. So you're just going to come over here and choose file. So I download the file as Etsy Digital Daily Planner because I do have this on Etsy. And we're just going to go ahead and upload it. So as you see, your daily planner is going to show up here. Now, when you go to try to type in the little boxes next to this date box, it's not going to work. So what you're going to do is come over here to the left and hit form field. Now, what you want to do is create a simple text box. So hit select. And what you do is just click next to the date. And as you see, that simple text box shows up. Now, what you want to do is just kind of resize it to where you would like to type. So let's just resize it right here. Click it again. And as you see, now you can go ahead and type in a date. And that's how that works. Now, when you want to fill out all the rest of these, you just click again. And you're going to just resize it to however you want the text boxes to be. So here on this particular form, I do it on every line, because I want to fill out those every line. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, but, just try to resize it where you would like the text to be, for example. And then when you click it again, you can see that you can actually type in it. So let's go ahead and get rid of some of this. And what I'm going to show you, oops, I don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and click back. So in order to print this and actually be able to download this onto your computer, onto your tablet, wherever you'd like to put it, what you have to do is just simply go here to save. So I always like to save my work first. And then you're just going to go ahead and hit download. Now, this is after you go through all the form and create all the text boxes that you want on your particular daily planner. Then you're going to hit the print button. Oops, sorry. not to print. You're going to hit the download button. And then your daily digital planner is going to come up here. So as you see the little boxes that we made, this is where you can actually type. So here, this is now saved onto my computer, and I can go in and type in a date again and just basically use this daily planner every day. So I can go in, my top priority maybe today is to practice yoga. Whoops. I'm doing this like with one hand right now. So practice yoga, and you can go in and fill out this form as you like. So this is a great way to basically create your own digital daily planner. And this is a simple one-page PDF. And this is the perfect way for you to basically keep track of your to-do list, your top priorities, and you can even create these daily planners or digital products to sell. So as you saw when I downloaded the file, it said Etsy. And so this particular template is on Etsy, and I'll link it down below in case you want to use this particular template. But you can create digital products to sell, or just have them at your own convenience and use them whenever you please. All right, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll go ahead and catch you in the next video. Thanks. Okay, so I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you today, and I can't wait for you to get started creating your own digital planners. If you like this video, please smash that like button down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to come. And don't forget that you can head on over to my Etsy store. I'll leave a link below to download this particular template that we used in today's video. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.